How to buy the Dolos, the Bali token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is our token, and this token, as you can see, make sure to take a look on the Rex account. They have a big community. Now, to be able to buy this token is by going to CoinMarketCap, and after you find this token is, as you can see here, now scroll down to find the contracts and copy the token address. The token address or this token is came under the Solana network. Now the best choice to buy this token is by going and open your Phantom wallet to buy it. So just open your Phantom wallet, click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, and here click on it, and to be able to paste the token address, as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. So after that, from here, enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. Now from here, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of this information and click on swap, and after that they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. If you face any problem on your buy process, just go back and here switch the slip hash, as you can see, to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Bali token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.